there's a growing belief that Europe's passion for electric cars is fading, a narrative that's gaining traction in conversations and media reports across the continent. This perception is fueled by a steady stream of headlines about struggling companies, layoffs, and financial losses in the automotive sector. But this narrative misses the bigger picture. Europe's EV market is not stalling. It's evolving and transforming in ways that many people overlook. The recent decline of Tesla's market share in the region is often mistaken for a decline in the entire electric vehicle sector, but that's far from the truth. In reality, Europe is embracing electric vehicles faster than ever before. As Tesla's influence wanes, a wave of new brands and innovative models is stepping in to fill the gap, bringing fresh energy and ideas to the market. The market is expanding, diversifying, and entering a more mature phase, with more choices and competition than ever before. European consumers now have access to a wider variety of electric vehicles, from compact city cars to luxury SUVs, all tailored to different needs and budgets. This shift means buyers now have a wider range of options at different price points, and the industry faces a new era of fierce competition. Automakers are racing to innovate, improve battery technology, and offer better value to attract customers. The story of Europe's electric car market in 2023 at a Dowdy store China Debarton 25 isn't about decline. It's about a booming competitive landscape with new leaders emerging and established brands reinventing themselves. We'll break down the data, examine the trends driving this transformation, and reveal how the numbers tell a very different story from the headlines. We'll also explore why Tesla is struggling to maintain its dominance in Europe, and what this means for the future of the company in this rapidly changing market. And we'll highlight the brands rising to take its place, companies like BYD, Volkswagen, and Renault, who are capturing the attention of European drivers with new models and bold strategies. So let's look beyond the headlines and see what's really happening on Europe's roads, as the electric vehicle revolution enters an exciting new chapter. Despite ongoing discussions about a potential slowdown in the electric vehicle market, the latest data from 2025 reveals that Europe's EV market is not just holding steady, it's thriving and breaking new ground. Sales of battery electric vehicles and plug-in hybrids have soared to unprecedented levels, more than making up for the sharp decline seen in petrol and diesel car sales across the continent. From January to November alone, Europeans purchased over 2.27 million fully electric cars, a remarkable 27% increase compared to 2024, showing that consumer interest is only gaining momentum. Plug-in hybrids are growing at an even faster pace, with sales up 33% to nearly 1.14 million units. For the first time ever, these vehicles have outsold diesel cars, marking a major shift in consumer preferences. Altogether, the total number of plug-in vehicles sold this year is set to break all previous records, with projections showing the figure will surpass 3.8 million, a milestone for the industry. Electric vehicles now account for about 17% of all new cars sold in Europe, a clear sign that EVs are moving rapidly from a niche market to the mainstream, and becoming a common sight on European roads. This impressive growth is being fueled by a combination of stricter emissions regulations, a wider variety of EV models to choose from, and a growing sense of environmental responsibility among consumers. The expansion of the market is no longer dependent on a single brand or a handful of models. Instead, it's powered by a diverse and highly competitive ecosystem, with automakers from around the world introducing innovative electric vehicles to European buyers. As a result, Europe's electric transition is not just continuing, it's accelerating at a pace few could have predicted, setting the stage for an even more electrified future. Tesla once defined Europe's electric car market, but 2025 marked a dramatic shift. While EV sales surged, Tesla's European sales dropped 39%, from 211,000 to just 129,000 cars. Even the Model Y, still a top seller, saw sales fall by over 30%. The issue isn't with EVs, it's with Tesla's appeal to European buyers. Competition from European automakers and aggressive Chinese brands has intensified, offering fresher, more affordable options. Tesla's lineup feels dated, with few new models to attract broader audiences. Meanwhile, CEO Elon Musk's controversies may be turning off some buyers. In a market full of strong alternatives, brand image matters more than ever. Tesla's decline signals the end of its near monopoly and the start of a new, competitive era. The European EV market is moving on, and Tesla must adapt or risk further losses. As Tesla's influence fades, Europe's legacy automakers are taking charge. Volkswagen, Renault, and Skoda have transformed from laggards to leaders, leveraging their deep market knowledge and manufacturing scale. Volkswagen's ID.3, ID.4, and ID.7 models now outsell Tesla's core offerings with over 210,000 units sold by November 2025. Skoda's Elroq became the second best-selling EV in Europe, with more than 81,000 units sold in just 11 months. These brands succeed by offering practical, high-quality cars that fit European lifestyles and budgets. Their established reputations and service networks give them an edge over newer entrants. The resurgence of European brands is no accident. It's the result of focused investment and understanding local needs. Buyers are responding to familiar brands that deliver value, reliability, and everyday usability. Europe's automakers are proving they have what it takes to lead the electric era. While European brands rise, Chinese automaker BYD is shaking up the market from another direction. BYD's sales in the EU soared to over 110,000 units in 2025, up from just 32,000 the year before. Their strategy advanced well-equipped EVs at prices that undercut established rivals. BYD's diverse lineup, from hatchbacks to SUVs, appeals to a wide range of buyers. The BYD Seal U became Europe's best-selling plug-in hybrid, while the Dolphin Surf broke into the top 10 electric models. BYD's rapid growth pressures all brands to innovate and lower prices, benefiting consumers. The rise of Chinese brands proves that strong products and value can quickly win over European buyers. The 20,000 Dorm, we rather than it been 25. Automakers sales charts reveal the changing face of Europe's EV market. Tesla's Model Y held the top spot with 127,000 units, but sales dropped 30% from last year. The Skoda Elroq, a newcomer, surged to second place with over 81,000 units sold. Tesla's Model 3 also declined, while new models like the Renault 5 and Kia EV3 saw explosive growth. In November, Volkswagen led monthly sales, followed by Tesla and a surging Renault. Buyers are spreading their choices across more brands and models than ever before. The bestseller list is now a mix of old and new, showing a market that's dynamic and fiercely competitive. No single brand can take dominance for granted anymore. Europe's EV market has transformed from a one-brand show to a multiplayer contest. Tesla, European legacy automakers, and Chinese newcomers are locked in a three-way battle. Legacy brands like Volkswagen and Renault are leveraging their strengths to challenge Tesla on quality and practicality. Chinese brands are disrupting the market with affordable, feature-rich EVs, forcing everyone to compete on price and value. This competition is democratizing electric mobility, making EVs accessible to more households. Buyers now have more choices than ever, from American tech to German engineering to Chinese value. The result? Better products, more innovation, and a market that's never been more exciting. Europe's EV race is now a marathon with many contenders, not a sprint led by one. The shifts in Europe's EV market signal a new, healthier phase of growth, not a slowdown. As the market matures, we're seeing a transition from early adopters to mainstream buyers, with electric vehicles becoming a common sight on city streets and highways. This evolution is a sign of progress, reflecting growing consumer confidence and a broader acceptance of EV technology. Tesla's decline is a brand issue, not a sign of trouble for electric vehicles overall. The market is simply diversifying, with more brands entering the scene and offering compelling alternatives. This healthy competition is pushing all manufacturers to raise their game and innovate faster. European and Chinese brands are stepping up, offering more choices and driving prices down. With new models launching every year, buyers have a wider range of options than ever before, from compact city cars to luxury SUVs, all powered by electricity. For buyers, this means more affordable high-quality EVs and faster adoption across the continent. Families and individuals alike can now find electric vehicles that fit their needs and budgets, making the switch to electric more accessible than ever. For automakers, it's a call to innovate, invest, and compete on quality, technology, and value. Companies are racing to develop better batteries, smarter features, and more efficient manufacturing processes to stay ahead in this rapidly evolving market. The future will be shaped by those who adapt quickly and deliver what consumers want. Success will depend on understanding shifting preferences and responding with creativity and agility. Europe's electric future is bright, with a growing competitive market and a steady stream of better, more affordable cars. The landscape is changing fast, and every year brings new advancements and opportunities for both buyers and manufacturers. The story of 2025 is about the end of one brand's dominance and the rise of a vibrant, multifaceted market. This diversity is fueling innovation and ensuring that the best ideas rise to the top, benefiting everyone. The electric revolution in Europe is not just continuing, it's accelerating with consumers firmly in the driver's seat. As infrastructure expands and technology improves, the journey toward a cleaner, more sustainable future is picking up speed across the continent.